Good morning from Iona. This is my post-swim coffee, and I've been sitting on this beautiful beach, half meditating, half dreaming, half scheming, half thinking about all of you. And I wanted to just bring you to this beautiful place and just tell you what I'm up to, because this new year I keep fantasizing about bringing people to Iona over New Year, and it's just a little tricky logistically wise. So I'm up for working this year, and so what I've decided is that I'm supporting people virtually. Now, I've been running virtual retreats for 2 years. I've worked in the virtual online space for almost 18 years, actually, long before COVID. But this year, I'm doing virtual retreats. I can only look after 12 of you, dear ones, because there's no group work, right? So it's actually going to be one-on-one support. And I might be on this beautiful island. I could be somewhere warm, but I am just so excited to be able to support you, because it's been a cuck year for a lot of people, right? If you don't know what that word is, you can imagine it. So I find that New Year, no matter our culture, our religion, where we live, whether we have other periods in the year like Easter, Pesach, Eid, Chinese New Year, no matter what we celebrate in our religious calendar, every one of us seems to have something that kicks into gear over New Year, as that clock ticks from the 31st to the 1st. And so I know that for a lot of you, it's a really hard, tough, almost impossible time to fathom, right? Because perhaps this year you're on your own for the first time. So many of my girlfriends within my intimate circle have lost their beloveds this year. Within my larger circle, I know so many of you that have gone through loss, death, retrenchment, sold your businesses wondering what on earth to do. You've moved home, you've moved country, you've moved partners, you've just a crossroads has come, walloped you on the face and the arse. And New Year can be one of those times that it's so easy to think about just letting it pass you by. Netflix, some alcohol, some booze, all combined together, lots of sleep, which is fantastic. And it's also a time to pause and to immerse just a little bit, and perhaps just find a way back to yourself. Find a way to check in, just to do something really different and mindful this year. So you've probably been seeing it, right, on all my socials. Oh, there comes the sun. That makes me so excited. I have got a virtual retreat with a difference, because I am busy inking and stitching and making all these beautiful bespoke guides that are going to be swishing through your door, through either Royal Mail Post in the UK or one of the international courier companies. So you will have something tangible to see, touch and feel, a little bit like my coffee. Oh, delicious. And that will help nudge you along the path. So maybe you know someone that needs some support over this new year. It's from the 29th of December to the 1st of January. 12 of you, 7 places, have already been snaffled up by clients. So drop me a line, drop me an email on kate@kate-emerson.com, and maybe there's something we can do together. And in the meantime, just look at this crazy, beautiful, magical place I get to call home.